All right, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this and at whatever time you're watching this. Welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. Let me say an happy new month in advance to everybody. I love you all, to all my old subscribers. Thank you for keeping up with me. I love you. Like, this channel is nothing without you. Thank you so much. All right, so today I'll be sharing with us how to make stickers. Okay, now on WhatsApp there's something that is raining. Okay, emojis and stickers. People use it to express themselves, express their feelings and everything about them. Now, and you wonder, how can I make my own stickers? Now, we are going to be using the sticker maker app. Okay, this is mine, but you can download any sticker maker that is compatible with your phone. Okay, just get the one that is compatible with your phone. Yes, that's my sticker maker, and I'm launching the app now. It's very easy to use. Okay, but let me tell you, before you launch your sticker maker app, make sure your video or your picture that you want to use for the sticker is ready. Okay, now these are previous stickers that I have made. Okay, and as well, you can actually make stickers from text or from images or from videos. The videos will come as GIF, that's video without a voice, a mute video, no voice. Okay, yes, like those ones you see. So to make my sticker, I'm going to click on this plus icon, here. Okay, and yes, it's taking me directly to my gallery to select picture. But if I don't want to make picture, if I want to make text, now look at this photo text sticker. If I want to make a sticker from my picture, then I'm going to leave it here. But if I want to make a sticker that has only text, I'm just going to click the text sticker. Okay, so let me look for an image. Okay, I think I made this this logo is still in processing actually. So now once you select your image, it will ask you to trim it. You can trim it as a square, a circle, and others, freehand, or you can select all. So I'm going to use a circle because this looks circular. Then you use your hand to adjust the picture to fit into the circle. Okay, yes. All right, so I love it this way. Then I'm going to click on next. Okay, I'm going to click next. So I'm going to click next. All right, so it's loading my picture. Okay, now you can see. Let me go back to the picture. I didn't like the way it's cropped. Okay. Yes, so this is perfect. I love it this way. I'm going to click next. All right, you can see the image is well edited. Okay, then I'm going to create. Okay, yes, it's going to ask you to choose a pack. I have packs already, and you can decide to create new packs. Okay, I'm just going to save it under Giant Graphics, and yes, it's going to load ad. Okay, yes, successfully made a sticker. All right, so my sticker is actually ready. All right, so after watching the ad, your sticker is saved successfully. Okay, and to import it to your WhatsApp is simple, or export it rather. Now I'm just going to click on this export. Sorry. Yes, to get it over to my WhatsApp. Once you click on export, this will be on your WhatsApp already. Let's do. Okay, so I'm clicking on export to get it. It's asking me to choose app, Gboard or WhatsApp business. I'm going to choose WhatsApp business, and it's sending it to WhatsApp business. Okay, now this sticker pack is already added to my WhatsApp business, but if yours is not added already, it will tell you successfully added. Okay, yes. Then remember, just like I said, you can make stickers with text. Let's just try that. I'm going to click on plus again, and this time around I'm not going to choose any picture. I'm just going to click text sticker. Okay, now you can see, now I can choose any kind of border I want my text to be, any shape, any of this. Okay, just once you select it, your text will be on that frame. Okay, then you can choose it to be borderless. That's, you can just click this. Your text is not going to have a frame, but you can use any of these frames. Okay, so let me use let me look for a beautiful one. All right, let me choose this. Okay, so to edit it, I'm going to click on this to edit the text. Okay, so I'm going to input my text. Welcome. To Giant Graphics School. Okay, I think that's too long. Let me just cut it. Okay, so I'm going to, once you're done with your text, tick good. Okay, all right, so I'm going to tick good. You can see, then I can reduce my text to make it fit into my, all right, but the text is too much for this particular border I chose, so let me try another border. Okay, you can see, I didn't like this either. Let me try this. No, I don't want pro. So anyone that has this means is pro. Okay, it's not free. That's why immediately I clicked it to see it popped up that I should get the free version. Okay, you can see this is actually looking good, but I think something better should be there. Okay, so you can just play around it until you get a suitable border for your text. Okay, that's another pro. So just close it, please don't. Well, you can go for pro if you like it, sir, but I won't advise you to do that. Okay, you can see now each of these border or frame has a particular font associated with it, and you can always edit your text. Okay, you can change this font and everything. All right, so I think I'm going to go with the one that I saw now. I think I love this. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Remember when we were making the picture sticker, it said create while this said save. Okay, so I'm going to choose a pack to save it. I'm going to choose Giant Graphics as well. Then it's going to load ad. Watch the ad for like 2 minutes or 30 seconds and you will be good to go. Okay, as you can see, well done, successfully made a sticker. So that's how to make your own sticker. But guess what, you don't have to make stickers to use stickers. Okay, now Remember, there are several stickers online that you can leverage on. I'm just going to go to my WhatsApp to show you how to download stickers other people have made. Okay, I use WhatsApp Business, right? So I'm loading my WhatsApp. Okay, now look at these stickers sent. I'm sure several times so many persons have sent stickers to you and you love them. You don't have to go and start creating your own. Okay, now I'm just going to download this and save it on my phone as well. Then it will be in my own collection. Remember, I did not make any of this. So just tap on the sticker. You can see add to favorites. Okay, I'm just going to click add to favorites, and boom, you can see this is now in my sticker collection. This is the former sticker I've made from Giant Graphics, those ones you saw. You can see this is the one we made now. Okay, this is the one we made with the text, and this is the one we made with the image. You can see they are on my sticker pack, and this is the previous sticker pack that I have. Okay, while these are the stickers I saved from other people's own. Okay, just click add to favorite and you see. Okay, you can see that is added to. Just do that for as many stickers as you want, and you will have a great collection of stickers that you like. Okay, this is already my favorite, so it's asking me remove from favorites. No, I'm not going to do that, so I'll just leave it. Okay, then add to favorites and add to favorites. Okay, now you can see all of these have been added to my favorite. So when I want to send sticker to someone, I can easily use them. Okay, because they are now in my favorites. They are now in my own collection of stickers. I hope you understand this. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope you love it. Remember, we're always open to suggestions, to comments, and to questions from you. If there's any sticker you like us to make, any video you like us to make for you on tutorials, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, or you can also contact us via our WhatsApp through this number. Yes, thank you very much. I love you. I love you so much.